Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Once again, welcome to the video, everyone. Today we'll be covering one of our creative weapons forms. Today our weapon will be the kamas. Now this is a very popular weapon to compete with. It's fairly easier to do lots of kicks and tricks with the weapons in your hand. Now there's a lot of elements in this particular form that we want you to break down individually and just practice over and over again, so once you put them and install them in the form, you'll be able to do it nice and fluidly, and you won't be too nervous about executing it altogether. It's a relatively quick form, so let's go ahead and get into the breakdown. Okay, so of course we're going to start with our traditional bow. Then we're going to go into our creative stance, a power stance with an X. From there, we're going to slowly bring the kamas up, chamber them in, step out, parallel chop. From here, bring them up, do a forward roll strike, chamber, step back 360. We're going to do a slow low block, pulling everything together. From there, we're going to step to our left to a reverse front stance, high block punch, to a chop punch to the right, spin, chop, shuffle punch, double there. Then from here, we're going to spin one more time into a front stance X, step back, turn, full roll. From there, we're going to circle, and then we're going to do a chop to the front, then step out into a chop punch. From here, we're going to do a chop punch and then go straight into our tornado kick, spinning to the left into an inside block front stance. From here, we're going to cover, step to the back corner, skipping front kick, followed by a jump tuck front kick off the opposite leg, then step down into a low block with the left. We're going to circle that left hand in. From here, we're going to do our shuffle axe kick into our skipping front kick. From here, we're going to spin, and we're going to do a chop punch, spin, do a front stance X, step back into a double figure eight. From here, we do our X and then a double low block power stance. From there, we step back into our attention stance and bow. And that concludes our creative kama form. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.